Hi guys, so I just wanted to do a quick video showcasing the different type of carbon fibers available at vicrez.com. And this pretty much applies to all of our carbon fiber pieces as well as our steering wheels. So right over here we have forged carbon, honeycomb carbon fiber, and just regular standard carbon fiber. And this pretty much applies to any carbon fiber piece, whether it's a front lip, rear diffuser, just spoiler, as well as our steering wheels. And just it looks incredible, especially in the sunlight. We get a better angle right over here. For the most part, when it comes to steering wheels, if they're custom, it could take anywhere between three to five weeks if it's just a standard carbon fiber. But anything honeycomb or forge, since it's a little more labor intensive, might take a little bit extra. Especially forged carbon, since it's carbon fiber cloth chopped and fused together. So yeah, takes a little bit longer. And let me see if I can show you guys this one right over there. So that's a forged carbon as well as steering wheel. It pretty much matches the rear spoiler right over here that we have. And this bad boy, it's the Redeye style. Part number for the carbon fiber piece is BC102440. We also have it in just standard matte black, which matches your factory color, and part number for that one is 2182. And as you can see, pretty much everything that you see in this bad boy right over here, it's from vicrez. We have the wheels, the fender flares, the rear diffuser, even the quarter louvers, rear louvers. And believe it or not, this actually it's an SXT 2020, I believe. Yeah, it's a 2020 Challenger SXT. Let me see if I can get a better angle. Part number for the wheels is BC1021. I'm sorry, BCN 10791. Part number for the fenders, the wide body, is BC101488. And the installation video for the rear spoilers also available in our YouTube channel. If you haven't already seen it, I can always link that in the description below. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe onto our YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, to stay up to date with new products and more awesome content. We're gonna be working on more fire content for you guys.